Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and this is the free house I'm getting for $505 a month. It's time to do another weekly update on it. We still haven't got the front door changed. We do have some of the kitchen cabinets here, although definitely not installed yet. We've gotten a lot of the stuff out of the way. What I'm about to do is take all this panel off, so if you'll stick for this video, we're going to see what's behind this. Sometimes it's pretty disturbing, so we'll see. Over here, we've gotten some of the subflooring replaced. We've gotten the plumbing exposed. Almost all the old plumbing's gone. There's just a little bit of that left. Here, we've got some structural reinforcements. Oh, this is behind the bathtub upstairs. We've gotten all of this exposed so we can replace that. We've got some temporary supports put in here, as well as we've jacked up this, which is a vent stack that goes up to the ceiling, so we're taking some weight off of it so we can prepare to replace this. We've done a little bit of crawling underneath. If you'll never watched a video of me crawling under a house, that's always fun. This one's especially well done ductwork. We're going to rework the whole laundry area. We got to rework this electricity. Wait till you see some of this. Well, I mean, some of you may have seen some of this earlier. Things like this. We got a plug going straight into a wall. But look over here. See these exposed wires? That they're all just laying on the ground. Look at those wires. Let's find out. Nope, that one doesn't appear to be. That one is. So I'm about to take these wall panels off right here. Before I do, let's make sure we put our safety gear on because this could be dangerous. I'm going to put my scrunchie that's color coordinated to the ET here on my shirt, the orange. It's always important that your scrunchie is color coordinated to your shirt if you want to be safe on the job site. So that'll keep my hair out of this mess. Now, so this is in a kitchen, okay? And I have a good idea of what I'm about to find here. I can tell you, this is always disturbing. This panel probably hasn't been disturbed in 40 years, maybe 50 years. So, here we go. I don't think you can tell what that is yet, but I can. Here we go. This isn't the worst I've ever seen. Do you know what that is? Oh man. Oh my gosh. This just fell out as I was opening the panel. You see that? That's... Good grief. That is so gross. I'm gonna get a tape measure and measure this. That's 1.5 inches thickness. 1.5 inches of roaches. That's more roaches than we had snow this year. Oh my. I'm terrified of what we're going to see behind us now. Oh, even more just fell out. Look at this. Oh. Look at all that. Oh. Ugh. See all these little friends? More of them. Ugh.